Today was the second food truck day for my area, and I'm showing you what I got today. I got a bag of Tangelos. I got 2 bags of bird's eye veggie pasta. They're 40 ounces a piece. I got 3 packs of raspberries. I got 2 packs of romaine hearts with some issues that'll have to be cut off. I got 2 Hormel teriyaki pork tenderloins. And I got 6 packs of individual servings Magic Spoon grain-free cereal. Alright, I know the perfect person for these. It's a lady I've given this kind of cereal to before. The lettuce, I'll have to eat that right away. And everything else, well, the oranges, the Tangelos, I may can those or I may give them to my grandkids. My grandkids love oranges. Any kind of oranges, tangerines, little cuties, the whole thing. And of course, the veggie pasta is going in the freezer. I'll be putting something else with it to make it a complete meal. Alrighty, that's what I got today. I have to notify my friend that I got some cereal for her. She can come get it at her convenience. Alright, oh, and I forgot. I got another 10 pounds of potatoes. Whew, that's a lot of potatoes. I keep giving it away and I keep getting more. But the ones I got today, I'll probably can those so I can have some for soups and stews and things like that. I'm down to my last 2 jars. So that came just in time, I guess. Y'all have a good day. Until next month, stay safe.